The release program has really brought a lot of focus to the work that's done within our working groups and special interest groups. We have an operator group that defines the requirements that are then fed down into the working groups, and there's a release steering group that manages all of that work across the 11 technical working groups and special interest groups, and it's a collaboration between operators and vendors that identify the drivers and identify the barriers and break down those barriers for small cell deployment, and then we document those in the themed release and make them available to the public on scf.io. So in our first two releases for enterprise and residential, we documented some use cases. We also just published the release for use cases for urban small cell deployments, and we're finding that these are really great case studies to show how small cells are being deployed in the real-world environment. And that's helping operators to understand how all of the pieces come together to deploy small cells. So the forum still has a lot of work to do. We have just published release 4 for urban small cells, and our next release that we're working on that will be released at Mobile World Congress in 2015 is for rural and remote applications. And at the same time, we're looking at a work stream for cloudification, virtualization of the small cell layer. So I would like to see the energy continue around our existing release program and the collaboration between operators and vendors, but I'd like to grow that community and draw in more operator and vendor participation. So my focus is going to be around executive level carrier engagement, vendor engagement, and really bringing those ecosystem players into the small cell forum to contribute to this work.